Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use array formulas, how to perform calculations on arrays, and that we can do by using the approach of array formula. An array formula is a single formula that perform calculations on different arrays. And here I will let you know the first thing that you need to do is to select the range of cells in which you want to perform the array formula. So I want to perform calculations on these two columns, that is from E to F, and want the result to be put in column G. So I select the cells first, and now I come here to a formula bar and put enter, and then I select the range from column E, so E2 to E7. This is the range. And you see that the range of cells I enter in the formula bar is selected on the sheet. And now I multiply this with the cells in column F. So I enter F2 to F7. So you see the range of cells in column F are also selected. Now this single formula will evaluate the product of the cells in column E and column F and will register the result in column G. But one thing very important, in order to implement this formula, we don't only hit the enter button, rather we hit Control, Shift and enter buttons simultaneously. That is, in order to enter this array formula, you are supposed to press Control, Shift and enter button simultaneously. So if I enter this, you see the results are automatically registered in the cells, in the corresponding cells in column G. So, and one thing you must note here in the formula bar, the formula that you enter is enclosed in curly brackets, and the curly brackets emphasize or show that this is an array formula. So in order to execute an array formula, you are supposed to press Control, Shift and enter buttons simultaneously on your keyboard. So this way we make arrays calculations. This way we execute arrays formulas. At the end, thanks for watching Safi Mixed.